Why does your scanner show the P0122 engine code? What does it mean? P0122 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position sensor or switch, A circuit low. This engine code indicates that the ECM has detected the TPS sensor circuit. A output voltage goes below the sensor's expected range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty throttle position sensor. Damaged TPS wiring harness. Faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. Improper TPS mounting. ECM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle equipped with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in various makes and models of cars, trucks, and SUVs, from Ford and Honda to BMW and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.